Hi guys, this is Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this training video. Welcome to this another training video of Illustrator training series. This will be our class number 7, and in this video I will be teaching you how to design an iOS photos icon in Illustrator step by step. And also, if you want to follow along, you can also download the artwork file which I'll provide in the description links below. And before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Hi guys, welcome to this class number 7 of this Illustrator training series. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create this iOS photos icon step by step in Illustrator. So I have created a new document here and I've already set up the color swatches on the left side, so it will be easy to choose the colors from. I will also provide you the artwork file link in the description links below, which you can download from and practice yourself as well. So to get started, let me first create a background layer. I will click on my rectangle tool and I will click and drag over the canvas like so. From this color swatch I'll use a darker shade of gray. Then once that's done, I'll just come up to the layers panel here and I will click on this lock, so it will lock this layer and I won't be able to move the background anyway. And then I'll create a new layer on top of it by hitting this create new layer button. Then grab your rectangle tool in the toolbar and click anywhere on the canvas, and the size I'll be choosing is 170 pixel width and 260 is the height, and hit OK. Then click your selection tool and just move this to the top. And now what you need to do is round the corners of this. There are two ways to do it. If you have Illustrator CC, you can just click on this small circle and click and drag and it will round the corners. And if you have an older version of Illustrator, suppose CS6, CS5 or earlier, you can, I'll just hit undo, and then to get the rounded effect you have to go to the and stylize and round corners here. So for now I'll just choose a fill of black over here, and I will again grab my selection tool, and while clicking on the small circles I will just round the corners of this rectangle like so, and I'll just move it a bit up. Then what I'll do is I'll grab my rotate tool, which is shortcut key is R on the keyboard. Click on this, and right now the center point is this one from which this object will rotate, but I need it to rotate from the bottom side. While holding down Alt, just come up to the bottom portion here and move your mouse a bit more below, and just click on Alt and hold down Alt and click here, and it will pop up this dialog box where you can fill in the angle which that object will rotate. Make sure you don't click on OK. First set the angle to 45 degrees and you'll see the preview. It shows that's how it's rotating. So instead of clicking on OK, hit copy and then click on Command D couple of times to make it rotate all the way across. So now we have all our objects ready. Now we just need to fill color in these. Just click on this first one and click on the eyedropper tool and select the colors. So like this, just do one by one. I'll just fast forward the video so you won't have to wait through it all. So once that's done, just click and drag all of these and just move it down a bit and click on Command G to group, or you can just right click and click on group as well. So once that's grouped, all you need to do then you need to do is open your transparency panel. If you don't have this Windows open up, go up to the Windows menu on top, click on Windows and click on transparency. Then from here you can just set the blending mode to from normal to, you can just set it to multiply. So once that's done, you need to just create a oval tool. Come up to the toolbar and select your ellipse tool here and while holding down Alt and Shift, just click and drag, and it will make a center, and it will make a circle from the center, and set it to white. You just need to move this a bit to the right and just click on those rectangles you had made and click on arrange and click on bring to front. And to align these two, just click and drag both of these, and your align panel will open on the top. Click on this horizontal align center and this one vertical align center. You see now it has aligned. Now you can just group this while clicking on Command G, or you can also do right click and click on group. Just hold down Shift and move it a bit to the left so it will center in the canvas. Another thing you can do is you can also give a small slight drop shadow to this icon. Just double click the white circle you just created and go up to the effects, go into stylize and click on drop shadow. You can click on preview to see the shadow effects taking place. We don't need so much, so you can just decrease the X offset to around 4 pixels and Y also to 4 pixels, and the blur you can keep it to around 4 pixels, and the opacity I'll set it to 55 and just hit OK. So just double click on this back one level arrow so it will navigate itself outside the editing mode. So now you see that's how you create an icon, iOS photos icon in Illustrator. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. Please do shoot me an email if you have any questions to ask. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.